Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got a Alfa Romeo Spider 2000. Today we are installing the actual. We repaired most of the thread. Sorry, sidetrack there. We had to repair most of the threads here for the screws, and I bought some special fin head screws to go through the seat rail so I can put the seat back. But that will be last anyway. Let's come back here. We have a follow the instruction for the 123 Ignition. I mean, they're all the same anyway, so you just have to set the actual, if your dizzy has got a vacuum advance, and then you have to actually take the, then you have to set the dizzy to the vacuum advance of your car. If you look at this, it comes with this one here. So it's either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ABC. So depending on what model, like Alfa, BMW, depending on what model you have, that's the number that you turn the screw to. It's actually an 8mm Allen key on the side of the dizzy. You take it out and then get a small thin screwdriver and set the number, the little arrow. Just point it to the 0 or 1 or whatever number your car's got, depending what engine you have. Peugeot, can be anything, but they do fit. All right, so we done the actual, we took the old dizzy off, put everything back together. Now we actually got the actual timing mark here, down here to the P and the mark there, ignition timing. And then now we got the actual light to come on. If you look closely, let me take the light off. See that little light there? That little light's on, so that means we're on track. So the next step is to actually lock up the actual dizzy at the bottom. Lock up the dizzy at the bottom, and then put the wiring together, and then we actually give it a crank and start later on. Okay, but this is where we are right now. We're getting very close. We got good fuel pressure. We had to reroute the actual wire because the fuel pressure, sorry, the fuel pump of this one had a different. The old one was like a pointing. Where's the old pump? Actually, it doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter anyway. We actually modified the hoses so that it fits properly. We got good. We removed the actual fuel hose here for the carbies. We got good fuel pressure coming out, good fuel running straight out when we crank the car, which is great news. And then now we got the timing light, the little light coming on. So now we're gonna put everything back together, put the wiring, and then later on put the cap on and things like that. Put the cap on and we can actually start it. So this system can work on any 4-cylinder, even the 911 SC, Porsche 911 SC. You can actually put the electronic dizzy there. All right, so we're just fitting an electronic dizzy to this vehicle here. All right, so the old one had points. This is the old dizzy, 70s, 60s, 70s technology. Had the actual points here. They open and closes to create the spark between the spark plug. So we don't have the points anymore. Now we have electronic system running it. All right, but the main thing is we got the little light to come on, so we're ready to actually continue on with the actual installation. All right, thanks for watching and please subscribe.